I'm going to be picking 20 master locks as quickly as I can and seeing how fast I can do it. These are the 141s, just 4 standard pins. Yeah, here we go. Wow, this one's tough already. I started with the hard one, I guess. I'll use this side faster. To guess which way the keyway is as I pick it up. Take half the time right there. This one's tricky. These are all like the wrong way. My picks probably hate me right now. I'm using a lot of tension. High cut on 4. I hate high cuts so much. Personally, for me, they're like very difficult if a lock is like 0-bitted or something. Like high low, like to me that's not even like that bad because the low ones you really don't even need to pick much. But if it's just high, you need like special tools and so much stuff can go wrong. Um, 3 minutes and 12 seconds. 13, right? If we round up. But 3 master locks in 3 minutes. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah. So these are actually, a lot of these are for sale, so please check out r/lockout. Not that this was an advertisement, but yeah, I usually don't have this many, so. So yeah, thanks for watching.